Hey, what's going on, everybody? Isaac here, and today I want to tell you about this knife that was sent to me by Dispatch Knives to review. Now, Dispatch is a Chinese company. They make budget-minded blades, and in my experience, they kind of vary on quality. And their price point is reflected on that too. And this knife here, this is the model DP8076-SB. That's like their SKU number for it. If you search Dispatch Knives on Amazon, you search for like Dispatch D2 Flipper, and this knife should come up. It's a blacked out knife, well, except for their logo there on the blade, but we got black G10 handle scales, and I love the way that they're textured and polished. It gives a very classy look to this knife. And as you can see, we got this orange ring around the pivot, which gives it a pop of color, and I enjoy that too. It makes a nice looking knife, that is for sure. We got a D2 steel blade, not a nameless stainless steel from China. So we got D2 steel, quality steel for a folding knife, and it's very common and holds an edge for a good amount of time. The blade length here is 3.3 inches. I wrote this down so I don't get it wrong. We got a 7.8 inch overall length. The weight is just 3.52 ounces. So we got a decent sized knife with under 4 ounces, 3.5 ounces, we'll say. Forget that extra, 2 at the end of the 5 there. So 3.5 ounce knife, good size, excellent ergonomics. I love this type of handle shape with the single finger cutout and enough curvature here to provide a very comfortable grip. It does have just a little bit of jimping right here on the top. An excellent spot for this knife. Hold it just like this in a saber style grip. And, if you want to choke up there, you can certainly do that as well. And this knife runs $29.99 on Amazon. What? $29.99? That's too much, you say? Well, guess what? I'll do you a solid. There is a link in the description of this video for a discount. I'll knock about $9 off. So you get it for, I think, $20.99 through the link in this video description. Don't forget to click it, take you there, apply the discount when you go to checkout. So when you add this to your cart on Amazon, it will still show the full price, but then proceed to checkout and you'll see the discount taken. So there you go, guys. This knife it did come with a very nice edge. Here's an old sticker from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. As you can see, we can slice, we can stab, slash. I think, if you want to get somebody a knife that is decent and you can get it for just a little over $20, give this somebody for Christmas, I think this knife from Dispatch, this D2 Flipper, is a pretty good option. Or, somebody who just needs a knife and you don't want to spend that much on them, they're not into knives, this knife is a good option. It's got good flipping action, very smooth opening. I imagine this runs on ball bearings. I can't really tell, but it is very, very smooth. Nice to play with. It's got a liner lock, which is my favorite type of lock. And I enjoy having this knife around, so it comes with my recommendation for something very budget friendly, but still feels like a decent quality blade. So go to link in the description. Check out this knife on Amazon from Dispatch Knives. Stay tuned for more from Dispatch. Go back and check out some other videos on Dispatch Knives that I've done. Take it easy, and we'll see you on that next video.